everybody. I'm here to introduce you our Q13 Touch and Touch Plus, our heavy-duty grinder because of his 580 watt power motor paired with its 75 millimeters flat burst in the version Touch and Touch Plus, where we can offer you a easy, simple display, the Touch version, or a much more complete display, Touch Plus version. Both of them equipped with our hands-free fork that offer you the chance to handle the filter holder easy, linking it without many problems, and a very high performance as the double dose can be delivered in 4 to 5 seconds. Thank you very much for the attention and have a good day.